Oh my gosh, hello? Okay. Hey y'all, it's Emma here at Cookeville RV Marine, and today we're gonna take a look at the 2026 Grand Design Transcend Explorer 24BHX. And guys, we know that you can probably find this camper anywhere in America, but what you can't find is another Cookeville RV and Marine. We are family owned and operated, meaning you can skip those corporate guys and we're gonna treat you like family every step of the way, so come see us. We also have over 1,000 Google reviews and over 4.7 stars, so go check those out if you wanna see what our customers are saying. Before we get started, be sure that you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so that you're notified every time we post a video like this one. On the entertainment side of our camper, we do have a massive awning with an LED light strip underneath it so you can keep the party going all night long and have some nice shade whenever the sun's out. We also have this really nice G-glass door, so that means that you're going to be able to see out but nobody can see in, so that's super great. We even have a leash hitch hook over here for your furry friends so that they can hang out with you, and it also works as a bottle opener if you don't have a dog, so that's super cool. We even have indoor-outdoor speaker systems on this camper, and we also have an outlet right behind me here. Sorry, I'm covering it up. And you can hook up your TV or anything that you want out here and just have a good time. But let's get on to our storage. Underneath our camper, we have this nice area for unobstructed pass-through storage. So if you want to throw your bags down here or even your muddy hoses, it's all going to fit perfectly down here, especially because these floors are really easy to clean. So if you are throwing muddy hoses or anything that's going to get this floor dirty, you can just wipe it right up. So that's super great. And if you want to throw stuff in here at night or just be able to see what you're doing, we do have lights that you can turn on and off. So that's super great. And we also have this table that Grand Design put in here as well. So if you're wanting to watch that TV out under your awning, you can set that up, have your TV on it, all your snacks. It's just super great. And on the other side across from me, we do have our convenience bay. So once you pull up to the campground, everything's going to be over there to hook up. So it's going to be super nice and all in one place. But let's check out the inside. As soon as you walk into your camper, you can take your backpacks, purses, or even your jackets and just hang them up right here. So that's nice to have out of the way. Across from your entryway, we do have our control panel. So this is where you're going to find your light switches and your awning to extract it or pull it back in. So that's nice that everything's all in one place. Let's check out the other side of your entryway. On the other side of our door, we have this nice catch-all space. This would even work really well as a buffet for your kitchen if you want to use it as that. But I would personally just throw my keys on there or fill this up with a bunch of junk because everybody needs a junk drawer. But we've got lots of space here. You can even put your shoes here, and we have even more storage down here. Or if you even want to roll up a couple of blankets, they would fit in here really nicely as well. We even have an outlet right here if you want to use this as a charging station. If you happen to work from home, that would be perfect for that. Let's get into our kitchen. In our kitchen, we have plenty of cabinet space that's perfect for all of your plates, cups, and things like that. And we even have a spice rack, so that's really nice to have a dedicated spot for that. But over here, you can even put pots and pans in here, but we'll get into that actual storage space later down here. We even have a microwave as well for your Pop-Tarts or your quick meals. And we also have a nice paper towel holder right here, as well as some outlets if you have any other appliances. We also have a really nice retractable nozzle kitchen sink. This is a farmhouse sink, so it's super nice for washing all those dishes. Even if you have like larger pots and pans, it's great for that. And we have a built-in soap dispenser, so that's not going to be rolling around when you're traveling either. We have even more storage space right here. This would be perfect for your dish towels or dish rags or even your sponges, anything you want to put in there. And we actually have a dedicated spot for your trash can right here as well, so that's super great. And even more storage space underneath the sink. This would be great for maybe cleaning supplies or anything that you want to put in there. But let's get into this. This is our 3-burner stove here, and we have a huge spot for your pots and pans. So this is a deep drawer, so this is great for all of those larger things, or if you have larger appliances, you can throw them in here and they're all gonna fit. Right next to our cooking space, we do have our massive fridge and freezer. We've got plenty of space in here for all of your snacks, treats, or anything that you're going to be cooking. So there's lots of space in the freezer as well for those popsicles for the kiddos. And we even have a special spot for your furry friends to have all of their food and water in. And if you don't want to use it as that, or if you just don't have a dog, you can take these out, so don't worry. Now you are going to notice that this camper does not have any slides, which is super nice, but we still have plenty of walk room, so don't worry about that. So say you're driving down the road on your road trip, you're not going to have to stop at a gas station bathroom. You can come in here or even access your fridge and get all of your snacks, so that's super great. Let's get into our dinette. This cozy dinette area is the perfect place to eat all of your food or even work from home, but let's check out our storage space that we have. We have some space of cabinets on either side of this, and we even have our indoor-outdoor speaker control right here. This is the perfect place to mount your TV, and we even have an outlet up here if you want to plug in your Apple TV or anything like that. But this is the perfect work-from-home area if you're not using it to eat. And we even have outlets right over here so you can plug in your laptop or anything else that you need. This also converts into a bed, so it's kind of 3-in-1, so that's super nice. We also have a window over here so you can open it up and get all those campground views, or you can pull down the shades and get extra privacy. Let's check out our entertainment area. Right across from our dinette, we do have this really cozy sleeper sofa. We even have some cup holders here, so if you're watching your movie, you can put all of your snacks and cups and drinks and everything right here. This even folds out flat, that's why it's called a sleeper sofa, just because you can take a great nap here after a long day at a campground. And we even have some nice storage space underneath it, as well as right above it we have lots of cabinets to put all of your blankets and pillows or anything else that you want to put and leave in your living room area. We even have an outlet right beside of me if you want to hang out on your phone or laptop or whatever you need to plug in. There's an outlet right there, so don't worry about that. But let's get into our other sleeping area. Over here we have our bunks. This is where we're going to put the kiddos to sleep at night or just to hang out. This is like their own private oasis. They've got their own curtain here. They have their own lights, and they even have a nice USB-C outlet here as well, with a regular outlet too. We also have plenty of space underneath these bunks for your larger items like your coolers, your wagons if you have one, anything you need to throw under there, it's all going to fit. There's tons of space. Let's check out our bathroom. Right next to our bunks, we do have our nice and private bathroom. We have lots of storage in our medicine cabinet here that's perfect for your toothpaste or really anything that you want to keep and leave into your bathroom. We have a sink, of course, and an outlet right next to it, so if you're wanting to plug in your curling iron or anything like that to get ready, it's going to be perfect for that. We even have some nice storage space underneath the sink if you want to put a small trash can in there. And we even have some hooks over here right next to our shower that's perfect for your robes or wet towels or anything you want to hang up. We even have a nice storage space right beside of our shower that's perfect for your folded towels and wash rags or even toilet paper if you want to put in there. And we also have our nice foot flush toilet. Before we get into our shower, you will notice that we have this nice exhaust fan. So whenever you are showering and you've got it on boiling hot, it's going to rise up and it's going to get out of this bathroom so it's not all hot and fogged up. You know how it is. But we have this nice removable shower head here, so if you've got a dirty dog or even dirty kids playing in mud at a campground or something, you're going to be able to hose them off just fine with that. And we even have some nice storage space in our shower as well. Right next to our entrance, we do have our nice and private bedroom. This is a queen size bed that's super comfy, and we have tons of storage and closet space as well. We have a cubby shelf system over here, and we have more open shelving right above me that you can really use for anything that you want to store in your bedroom. Right next to me on the right side, we do have a hanging bar, so that's perfect for your clothes and things like that. I love whenever we have a shelf system over here and a hanging bar over here. Right next to me on either sides of the bed, we do have this nook system, so you can put your CPAP here or phones or even a water cup. If you want to use that kind of like a nightstand, it's perfect for that. And we even have outlets on both sides as well. So don't worry about not having a space to plug in your phone, because that's always annoying. This camper has it all. So if you're interested in this Transcend or any other Transcend from the Grand Design line, be sure that you give us a call, give us a text, or visit us online at cookevilleRV.com, where your adventure awaits.